Hello, I'll show you how to make this cool slime. So let's do it. So what you'll need is this green glue. It has to be this because this is the one that I used for that, and it came out yellow, but I like it better yellow. This is what it was supposed to be, but never turned out like that. But it's close. So you'll need a bowl, some of this glue, it has to be that glue, contact solution, and baking powder. So yeah, let's get on to this. Okay, let's get started. Oh, this is hard to open. Ow. Oh. Okay, got open. Now just pour it into the bowl. It's green, but still glue. Ow, I just hit my head off the table. This is how much I used. Now give it a wee mix, because you need the bubbles in it or it won't work. Like that. Now add your contact lens solution. You don't have to add too much or it'll go too liquid. You need something that you can work with. It's not going to become slime just yet, as you can see. Now you're going to add a whole bunch of baking soda. Well, not so much to start with. And so you just keep on mixing and you'll see that it's getting more. I've added some more in. And I'm going to add some more. I've added some more and you'll see that it's clumping together. Okay, I'll show you clumping it together. See, it's working. You could leave it like this because it's touchable now. But I'm going to add a little bit more just to make it a bit more matte. Which will also make it different than my other slime that I made. Then just take it out the bowl and knead it for a little while, and you'll have some pretty good slime, but it will be bubbly. And you don't want it to be bubbly, so leave it for like an hour or so and it will turn into this. That's a bubble, that's not bubble.